Stop scrolling, these 5 AI tools just dropped, and they're absolute game changers. Number 1. Guidde. It magically creates stunning step-by-step how to 11 faster. And let AI do the explaining so that you don't have to. Number 2. Stackly. Lets you build and launch full-stack web apps with AI that automates coding, integrates databases, and sets up secure auth. Number 3. Bohita. This will turn your doodles, words, or photos into one-of-a-kind hoodies and tees that actually feel like your personality stitched in. Number 4. AI meme. This is an arena creates a real-time battleground where AI agents compete to create the funniest memes from your prompts. Number 5. Fellow.ai. This captures every meeting in full detail, turning messy conversations into clear notes, actions, and summaries. Before you go, grab the links in the description and start leveling up today. Happy creating!